This is what I do on my off days. Ship a bunch of sticker orders at my local post office right there. Alright, today is finally the day we start doing this.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
go. Alright, so this is how we're gonna do it. I got most of it cut out already. So we're just gonna apply the livery on the car. I'm not washing it or anything because after about 2 weeks or so, I'm taking all this wrap off, the black, the orange, everything, and we're gonna do a new color. So I'm gonna set you guys down on a tripod and start it. Alright, I kind of did one side. I'll admit, I kind of rushed it. And the more I was putting it on, I didn't really like it, so it's whatever. I think the diamonds are too big. I didn't really get the spacing correct either. But the decal on the bottom skirt, I'd probably leave that on. But I'll take off all these diamonds and everything now. And just leave it as the clean look. But yeah, we're gonna just move on to the next color. Sorry guys. And finally, last diamond coming off now. I'm just gonna leave this on the side skirt because it's not really that distracting, but now every single diamond is off. Don't worry, all this orange and the black and everything is gonna come off soon for the new color. I can't wait to do the new color because look at this. All my orange vinyl and black is basically faded. It's been all in the sun for 2 years. I don't put it in the garage or anything, so everything's peeling. So yeah, I'll be doing some other videos before I change the color, and then I'm going to take this off camera and then start recording again basically when I start rewrapping the car. So thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you.